Do you need help, Tessa?
No. I can open it all by myself.
You know what? It might be easier if you open it in the middle. See right there?
I know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
It's gonna be a surprise.
What's it from?
Nana.
Kick.
Did Mommy wrap it too hard?
Yeah.
Can Mommy help you pop it out?
Yeah.
Okay, here. There. See? It just slides right out. There you go.
What is
Open it up and find out. Do you know what those words are? What's that word on there?
it? Disney.
You're so smart. Okay, open it up.
I can't. How do we do it?
Here, pull on it. Pull.
She can't get it open.
What is it?
Well, look at it. What is that?
A watch.
And what does it have on it? Do you see what name?
Like a Beauty Bell and Cinderella.
Yeah. Do you see what name it has on there?
My name.
Yeah. Do you like it?
What's
Whose
my
name?
name? Right there?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good.